for investment?
Okay, key factors for choosing a condominium for investment. Okay guys, to be clear, no, when you're choosing a condominium, you have to identify first if end user or investment. Importante yun kasi pag end user ka, it has to be all the things that's important for you and your family. Diba? Just for example, if it's a primary home, importante na malapit sa school ng anak natin or sa office natin kasi own use. If it's an investment, it should be important for your tenant. So irrelevant yan kung malayo sa bahay mo, malayo sa kung saan man, as long as there's a pool of tenants, that's where you want to be. Make sense? So, the question ni Ma'am Valerie is, what's the most important? I think supply and demand. You want to be in a place where there is a low supply of a certain product. Not just a general condo. For example, it can be kulang ang rooms that can accommodate families of 6 and above. Kasi that's the demand in that area. Or it can be kulang ang supply of units that has a study area inside the room because it's a university market. So yun, it's supply for a certain problem that needs to be solved. Yun.
So parang ang problem solver.
Exactly.
So what are the common mistakes that people make when they have their properties rented out and how to avoid them?
Okay. Common mistakes. There are 3 P's na commonly mistake ng tao. No? How many? Okay. Style ko yan, nag-iisip ako. So, nag-iisip ako. 3P. Number 1, price. Wrong pricing. Diba? Sometimes people come to me and say, Carl, how much should I price my rental? I usually tell them, you should price it fair to what's the market price in that area. So number one key is price. Number 2 is the product. So people also need to understand that what you're selling in real estate is your condo, is your unit, the property. So the property is to be well designed, well managed, maganda yung pagkagawa. If it's you're serving a couple, if you're serving a family, it has to accommodate for that market segment. So price should be good, the product should be good. Guys, itong third one is mostly missed out. The third P is the process. So what is the process required? The process is how you're engaging your inquiry para makuha mo siya. That's where most of the friction comes. Kasi minsan tayo as investors, we don't know how to talk to an inquiry. Pag tinatawaran tayo, or naglalambing lang naman, we get irritated. And we tell them na kung ayaw mo, wag mo. Kasi we watch too much K-drama. Kung ayaw mo, wag mo. But in reality is, we have to engage them. Suki, okay na yan, good value na yan, good price. You know, I'll be very happy to accommodate you and really, you're my dream tenant. Things like that. Things you will do if you own a business. Diba sa Green Hills na, diba? Hi Suki, kahit minsan, kahit first time namin magkita, hi Suki, pumili ka na sa akin, ito bagay sila to. You talk to them nicely. So, the number 3, which is the process, is very, very important. That's why, I will be plugging SMDC. Pasensya na kayo, I super appreciate this product of SMDC's offering. Kasi for the longest time, as an investor, I've been looking for this service. Na, I, as the owner, don't have to go through that stress of having to know what's the right price, the stress of having to fix my unit, where to buy, bibili mo pa, bibili ka pa ng mga picture frame. And lastly, ang pinaka-ayaw ko is to deal with inquiries. Sometimes they can be rough, di ba? Pero mabait naman, I'm sure. Sometimes, the initial impression can push your buttons, ika nga niya. Push your buttons. Yun lang, Ma'am Valerie. I hope I'm able to answer your questions.
At parang minsan nakakalimutan natin, we have to still be in a professional setting, you know? Minsan, tama ka na, iirita ka na, inapaka.
Ang buttons!
Kanina. That's why dapat professional.
Kalmado lang.
So what are the other benefits of having a professional tenancy management when SMDC good stays, Ms. Sharon?
easily, no, it takes the headache from you as an owner, as an investor. So you have more time. Kasi usually naman the investors and the owners, they also have jobs. They also have business to run. But renting your property, trying to earn from it, whether you rent it out for a long term or rent it out for a daily lease program, would require a lot of labor, would require a system to be put in place, would require your time. Sabi nga ni Sir Carl, you have to answer all these queries kahit nasagot mo na. So, when you have a, like SMDC Goods Days, we'll take care of that for you. So that we will relieve your headache. It becomes a hassle-free way of monetizing your investment. Then you have more time to make more money or do other things that will allow you to generate more income.
Madam Kali, make your money work for you.
Yeah. Correct.
So, kumbaga yung dating style, ikaw yung sasagot sa mga inquiry. Ngayon, yung time na sasagot ka sa inquiry, pag kumita ka na lang ng ibang pera, so you can buy more properties, diba? So sir, ano naman, what is the improvements or amenities that really people look forward to in property?
So that is a practical question. But anyway, I think it's more of everything within the reach of the building owner provider. We try our best to make everything here within the reach, convenience for them. As you all notice, all our developments have commercial spaces. So basically all the basic needs, the grocery, the banking, everything, and it's all within the reach of our buildings. And then, ang hinahanap sa akin with the pool and the gym. As you all know, lahat tayo, with all the stress and work, we want to relax. So basically yung ano nila, yung wellness, health and wellness nila, is the, I think after, yung pa rin ang priority. So dun sa mga features yun, team ko, inaano nila, small, bank syndrome, yes, but again, they can have events from outside. But more on the gym, the pool, and the commercial spaces.
Kaya lahat yan, check dito sa Lush Residences, di ba?
Functionality at maganda. Aesthetic. Sabi ng mga kabata, aesthetic.
Ms. Sharon, how important is property maintenance and upkeep in retaining tenants and ensuring consistent rental income?
It's very important. Una, kasi you won't have tenants or you won't have guests if you listen to an Airbnb. If your unit is not well maintained, who would want to live in a unit na tumutulo, for example, or has a bad like plumbing system, things such as that? Because you want to be, when you rent a property, you want to live in it, you want to be comfortable. You also would want to live in a place where it's convenient for you and at the same time secure. So all these things you can only experience if your property or your unit is well maintained. So even that we offer in SMPCs because we know that that's a problem of both the unit owner and also the resident or the tenant.
Sir, what trends are you seeing in the retail market?
Trends in the rental market, no? I guess, perspective-wise, rental is all about the human being using it, human being. So the question is, ano bang trends right now ng human beings natin, no? I think with the pandemic coming in, the trend for wellness, definitely, health is there. So yung condominiums na may swimming pool, may gym, may open area na makahinga-hinga ka, yoga ka, is number one. Number two, the work from anywhere. I think we now have the work from anywhere. Gusto natin kung saan-saan tayo nag-work. Pwede sa room natin, pwede sa social hall, sa outside, pwede sa mall, sa coffee shop. So that kind of features is very important. So the wellness, the working, and I think lastly, Valerie, is entertainment. I think we are the kind of people where parang gusto natin yung pagbaba natin, may mall, may hypermarket, may turon, kung nag-create tayo ng turon, may turon, nag-create tayo ng milk tea, may milk tea.
Turon talaga.
Agree ba kayo? Ako lang. Diba? So I think what the SM as a company is doing is that integrating everything. Their mall, their hotels, their retail, which I really appreciate as a user and as an investor. Yeah, and definitely, am I sounding too hard sell? But definitely as an investor, you think of your tenant. Gusto ba ng tenant na may milk tea sa baba? Gusto ba ng tenant na may supermarket? Yes. And with a good service, which is the third P, process, I think we can monopolize this rental market to our favor. Thank you.
Just to wrap it all up, can you share with us mga success stories of yung mga unit owners who had their units rented out with SMBC Good Stays?
Okay, from my own experience, when I had this unit in Berkeley, actually I rented for 8 years. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to buy one because at least the benta. So when my daughter studied in Diliman, I had no place now. Then I gotta ask them to go for a roof for rents in sort of the UP. But again, yung unit I rented for 10 months. So that, I mean, it took away all these problems for do some unit owner. For 10 years, bayad na. Bayad na yung unit niya for 10 years.
So ikaw pala yung example ko. Pero bayad.
Talagang ano. But again, yung experience naman namin when I didn't last because of the progressive news. But again, the experience that I had those 10 years, everything is really convenient for my kids. No? The supermarket, the proximity to the school, that's how we do our projects. Location, price, everything. Para sa mga unit owners o future clients.
Ms. Sharon, any success story you'd like to share?
Siguro what I will share is yung recent success story, not of me personally, but of SMBC Good Stays. We had a recent enrollee in the program, SMBC Good Stays. Ang kinuha niya long-term lease. No? This person has a unit in one of the developments in Makati, Air Residences. Kaya siya nag-enroll sa Good Stays kasi before may lumapit sa kanyang mga brokers. In fact, reached out to her through Facebook, or I think they met through Facebook. And then parang for the entire year, inasa niya yung trust, yung kanyang unit doon sa person. As it turned out, hindi niya nakuha yung rent. So in short, na-scam siya. And there are, unfortunately, there are many things such as that, you know, na posing as a broker, na I will help you find a tenant, and then itatakbo lang pala yung rental income mo. Usually, ang tinatakbo dyan yung 2 months advance, 2 months deposit. Then, ikaw, ang mag-damage kasi dyan as a unit owner, their reputation. So, sabi niya, good thing, may SMBC Good Stays, it's a credible company. So, hindi na siya mag-worry kung itatakas yung kanyang earnings or yung kanyang rental income. I guess, at the point of view of SMBC Good Stays, this is how we can help our investors or unit holders.
Trusted, credible, professional, and truly stress-free. So just to wrap it all up, any parting words for all of our guests here? Starting with you, Carl.
Make your money work for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Wise investment. Again, doing a wise investment for SMBC. Thank you.
Ms. Sharon?
Ako naman adapting yung kay Sir Carl. Make your money work for you. But if you want your money to work faster for you, find a good partner. Such as SMBC Good Stays.